Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Sky blue color, red color, green color, yellow color, brown color, blue color, light green color, purple color, light pink color, black color, and orange color. So kids, now you draw alphabets, and first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E for elephant. F for fish. G for god. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N, the alphabets of N. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.